Hello everybody, Eric the Green back here. Wanted to do the first fig video of the season, and this is a video on double figlets. I have 3 varieties this year that have some double figlets, and this first one here is LSU Tiger, and I had it in the basement over winter in a pot, and when I planted it in ground, it just had, the single trunk all the way up, just 6 foot tall with no branching. So I decided to put an air layer on it, but when I did, it branched real heavily at the top and then it branched real heavily underneath the air layer. And it is very productive. Every node on every branch has figlets. There's some small ones there. There's a bigger one up here. But one thing I noticed is right here on this branch, there's a node with double figlets. 2 figs coming out of the same node. That's pretty cool. Now, I've heard that Cadota does this. I had a Cadota one year. It didn't make it. I don't know why. But this is LSU Tiger. And that's pretty cool. I didn't know it made some double figlet nodes. And they're very productive. Like I said, fig on every node on every branch. Okay, I'll move on to the next fig tree, double figlets. All right, here we are at the second variety with double figlets this year. And this is the Russian White Unknown fig that my dad bought years ago. Probably 10 or more years ago. From a local man that said that it came from Russia. It's very cold hardy, and it has huge, well, they're really brown figs with sugar spots, with a brown sugar type caramel interior, but they're very good. But I noticed this year, right there is a double figlet node. And here's one regular one over here that's a little bigger. But one thing about this tree is it was girdled very heavily by voles all the way around during the winter. And it has 3 or 4 nice branches coming up. Looks like 3 big ones, 1 small one there. But from the bottom, but it's still alive at the top. And that's where our figs are coming out right now. Anyway, this is the one I call the Russian White Unknown. All right, moving on to the next variety. Okay, here we are at the third variety with double figlets. And this is his Baton Nage. And I had some figs off of this last fall. Just an amazing banana type flavor, honey fig. I can't wait for this variety again. It's one of the ones I'm most looking forward to. And talk about productivity. Look at these figlets on here. Just loaded up. And the leaves are close together. The nodes are close together. And there's figs everywhere. But right there, double figlets. Double figs. Very cool. I haven't had this happen very often before, so it seems cool to me. Maybe it happens more often than I know, on more varieties than I know. But this is Baton Nage. And it already has so many figs. It's just now June, so just started June. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you to all the subscribers to the channel. And we got a lot of fig videos coming up this summer. Thanks for watching.